if you have some Razer products, sometimes some of them do not have like an ability to be updated from the apps. For example, I have a Razer mouse that can be updated from the app, but I have the Hammerhead Hyperspeed earbuds that cannot be updated even though they do have an Android and iPhone app. So what gives? Well, you have to update them the old school way, and that is by going to your browser and then go to the Razer and then your country. In this case, it'll be Razer New Zealand. From here, you can go to the support page. Now click on support, don't click on any of these drop down menus here. Wait for it to load, and where it says popular support topics, click on software and firmware updates. If it is that you're trying to update the software of whatever device you have, then whatever it is that you have, in this case it would be headset and audio, then I would go down to the Hammerhead line. From there I would click on Hammerhead Hyperspeed for Xbox because those are the ones that I have. Click on that. You can click on this part here and it'll give you the instructions of how to update them. It is very straightforward. All you have to do is obviously download the software. You can just click on this part where it says latest firmware, download it, double click on it, and you'll get these exact same instructions once you download the software and you open it. Just keep in mind that this last step here, it might take like 30 seconds. So don't cancel it because it is working in the background. It's just that it takes time and then it'll automatically start updating the earbuds in this case. But that is essentially how you update peripherals by Razer that do not have the ability to be updated from within an app.